Anker SOLIX C200. The power bank that makes other chargers look weak. Forget those tiny, weak power banks, the Anker SOLIX C200 is a beast. With a massive 192 Wh or 60,000 mAh battery, this portable powerhouse delivers 200 watts of clean, efficient energy to keep your laptop, phone, tablet, and drone fully juiced up, wherever you are. Whether you're camping, traveling, or facing a power outage, this compact energy station ensures you never run out of power when it matters most. Why gamble with dead batteries when you can own unlimited, portable power? This isn't just a power bank, it's a charging command center. With 5 device charging ports, including 2 ultra-fast USB-C ports, 140 watts and 100 watts, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously without losing speed. Need options? Recharge it 3 ways: use a USB-C PD charger, solar panels, up to 100 watts, or your car. And with fast charging that gets you to 80% in just 1.3 hours, waiting around for power is a thing of the past. Your adventure doesn't stop, so why should your power? Unlike bulky power stations that are a pain to carry, the SOLIX C200 is 39% smaller than competitors and lightweight at just 5.9 pounds. Whether you're backpacking through the mountains or road tripping cross-country, this compact, grab-and-go design ensures you stay powered without the extra bulk. Want even more convenience? Attach a carrying strap, sold separately, and take your power station on the move. Big power, small size, zero hassle, what's not to love? Why depend on wall outlets when the sun is your ultimate power source? With 100-watt solar panel compatibility, you can harness the sun's energy to recharge anywhere. No sun? No problem. The lithium iron phosphate battery tech ensures 3,000 plus charge cycles, meaning this bad boy will outlast most traditional power stations. Other portable chargers lose efficiency over time, but the SOLIX C200 is built for the long haul. Reliable, renewable, and ridiculously powerful, because the future is solar. Anker doesn't play when it comes to quality, and the SOLIX C200 is proof. Constructed with lithium iron phosphate battery technology, the same type used in EVs, this power station is safer, longer lasting, and more durable than your average lithium battery bank. You get 3 years of worry-free coverage, ensuring that your investment is protected. Why settle for weak, short-lived power banks when you can have a battle-tested, next-gen power station that actually delivers? The Anker SOLIX C200 isn't just a power bank, it's your ticket to endless, worry-free power. Whether you're an adventurer, traveler, or just someone who hates dead batteries, this is the power solution you've been waiting for. Click buy now before your next trip or power outage leaves you stranded.